trying to read refrigerator in different languages. Réfrigérateur, refrigerator, yes, and this should be Spanish, right? Refrigerador. Frigorifero, Italian maybe. Kühlschrank, German. Lodówka, Polish. Холодильник and холодильник. Maybe холодильник, maybe one is in Russian and another one is in a similar language like Belarusian, not sure, but one of them is холодильник in Russian. Sovutgich, not very sure what is it. Tongazatkish, I bet this is Kazakh language. Lemaries, no idea, maybe Finnish, no, I don't know. Tulan, Vietnamese. Buzdolabı, Turkish. Okay, this was my best guess. Thanks for watching.